Into the wind. The wind helps us a little bit here. This airplane has a P-160 jet cannon and it has lights, brakes, and the total weights of the airplane. AE Hawk.
Can I call all the Striker pilots? If you want to grab your Strikers and get them all set up, bring them out here, we're going to be up at about 7:15.
Aircraft painted in black. He pulls it up and does a 4-point roll.
Difference flying a jet-powered model aircraft, any jet-powered aircraft period, is that you've got to anticipate the thrust you're going to need, and you have to manage that thrust carefully. So things like doing a low and over, you can't just put the throttle up a little bit so that if he needs to go around, the engine's already kind of spooled up and it won't take long for it to spool up for a go-around. A lot of thinking ahead on jet-powered aircraft. Nice high-pitch pass by Blair's
Field right about there. What a nice landing. Look at that. Unreal, isn't it? Big round of applause for Blair Huffins from Caledon, Ontario. It's BAE Hawk. Now that brings to the end of the control site, doesn't it? We slowly bring the planes in. A couple of them already down. Ontario, his reaction ARF pulls it up on the takeoff, and wow, look how fast that thing goes. And he's in the sky. The MiG-15, the Korean jet fighter of the North. Again, wow. That's fast. Here comes the MiG-15 and the nice slow roll across the field. Very nice. Ending this time. There we go. And he's down. Very. And he's down.
Great.